The 11 systems of the human body.
The human body is a biological machine made up of systems. Systems are groups of organs that work together to produce and sustain life. In the human body, there are 11 major systems, and in this video, we are going to introduce each system, describe their components and their primary functions.
What are the 11 systems that make up the human body?
The 11 systems of the human body are: 1. Muscular system. 2. Skeletal system. 3. Cardiovascular system. 4. Respiratory system. 5. Nervous system. 6. Digestive system. 7. Urinary system. 8. Endocrine system. 9. Lymphatic system. 10. Reproductive system. And 11. Integumentary system. The muscular system consists of all the body muscles. They are the smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and the skeletal muscles. Smooth muscle is found within the walls of blood vessels, hollow organs like the stomach or intestines. Cardiac muscle forms the heart muscles, and skeletal muscles attach to bones. Among these three types, only skeletal muscles can be controlled voluntarily and enable us to produce body movement. However, the function of the remaining two is regulated by the autonomic nervous system. You have no voluntary control over smooth and cardiac muscles, which means you cannot determine when the muscles must contract and when not to contract. The skeletal system is composed of bones and cartilages. There are two parts of the skeleton, the axial and appendicular. The axial skeleton consists of the bones of the head and the trunk. The appendicular skeleton, however, consists of the bones within the limbs, as well as supporting pectoral and pelvic girdles. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The meeting point of two bones is called joint or articulation. Joints are supported by cartilages and reinforced by ligaments. The functions of the skeletal system are for mechanical support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, calcium storage, and endocrine regulation. The cardiovascular system is made up of the heart and the circulatory system, which consists of the blood vessels. The heart and the blood vessels in the body form the circulatory system. The heart is a pumping organ which pumps blood, and the blood vessels are receiving tunnels. It is through these vessels where the pumped blood is circulated. The circulatory system, also called the vascular system, consists of arteries, veins, and capillaries. They all comprise a continuous network of vessels which act to carry blood around the body. Blood leaves the heart via arteries. These progressively reduce in size to continue as smaller arterial vessels called arterioles. Arterioles end in web of even smaller vessels called capillaries. The exchange of gases and nutrients occurs through capillary walls.
The cardiovascular system transports oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body within the blood, as well as eliminating carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste. The respiratory system consists of series of organs which include the nasal cavity, the pharynx, the larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, the lungs, and alveoli. The nasal cavity and the pharynx are together called upper respiratory system. The remaining organs, such as the larynx, the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, the lungs, and the alveoli also form the lower respiratory system. respiratory system organs, with the exception of the alveoli, function to conduct air into the lungs aided by the muscles of respiration, mainly the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Once air is in the lungs, it enters alveoli, the site of gas exchange, and interacts with blood transported by the pulmonary circulation. Here, carbon dioxide is removed from and oxygen returned to the blood. The major function of the respiratory system, therefore, is to bring oxygen into the body and expel carbon dioxide.